Hey, what's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, back with another quick matchup video. So if you aren't sure what these are, basically we show you what a certain tire size looks like on a certain wheel size. So today we got a big beast for you. This truck has, I believe, an 8-inch lift on it, which is the only way that you can make these things fit. But this is a 22 by 12, so it's 22 tall by 12 deep, negative 44 offset, and it's wrapped in the Toyo Open Country MTs, and these guys, the size is a 40 by 15.5 R22, if you didn't know how that works. But it's 40 tall by 15.5 wide for a 22-inch wheel. So you can see when you have a 40 on a 22, you do get a pretty decent amount of sidewall. If you go right from the edge of the rim to the top of the tread, you're getting close to, I'm gonna say 7 3/4 inches. And if you go right to where the seam is, it's like 7 pretty much. So from here to here is like 7, and then it's like 7 3/4 to 8-ish roughly. Tape measure is not the most accurate way to measure it, but that's how we've been doing it, so that's how we're gonna keep doing it. As far as across, from seam to seam, runs pretty true to size. It's about 15 exactly from what I can see here. So tires tend to do that, although this is a 15.5-inch wide tire, measures out to about 15 inches, which is pretty typical. But you can also see if you look at the sidewall, because this is a 15.5-inch wide tire on a 12-inch wide wheel, you do have a decent amount of sidewall bulge here, so that if you were to off-road a setup like this or get close to a curb at McDonald's, you're not gonna ruin your wheels, because you do have some sidewall protection here, especially with the Open Country MTs, because they got these big shoulder blocks on here. So that's your matchup. That's what a 40 by 15.5 R22 looks like on a 22 by 12. Peace.